Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Evan with the Swing Trade Pros team here, and in this short video, I'm going to take you guys through how to utilize support and resistance to really maximize your trading profits. Stay tuned. All right, so let's just grab Apple stock just for the sake of this video. I'm using the STP support and resistance lines. All right, you guys can get the basic indicator package to get the STP support resistance lines. It also comes with 10 other indicators that I'm not going to go through in this video. However, we are going to cover just the basic how to use support and resistance. If you guys are liking this type of content, of course, make sure you guys smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and tick the notification bell. All right, so Apple, we're on the weekly time scale. Apple right now is sitting on a weekly support. All right, this is not the time that I'd be looking to short Apple. All right, I'd be looking to buy Apple on a support, right? So the thing is lots of folks, want to trade these breakdowns, right? That's great. We don't always get breakdown trades or breakout trades. So to maximize our trading profits, we want to have a strategy of when to buy and when to sell. Okay. And it's not only just support and resistance that's going to help you, although knowing the support and resistance will drastically improve your entries for your trades. Obviously, you want to have an understanding of the momentum, right? That's a different video though. All right. So we're gonna talk about momentum in the next video. Okay. So support and resistance, it's pretty clear. We have a top here around $180. And we have a major support level here at $131.50, give or take maybe down to $130, right? We have this wick right here. All right, so for all sakes and purposes of this video, we'd be looking to buy Apple here. Why would we be looking to buy Apple here? Again, we are at a support. We do not want to take a short trade at a support. The risk to reward for short down here is not so good because, well, we're at a support. I mean, okay. So if we go to like the daily chart, we're going to zoom in and see, yes, we're sitting at this very, very last support level here. And we can see on last Friday's close or last Thursday's close, I think it was last Friday, we got a little bit of buying towards the bottom here, okay? A little bit of buying towards the bottom here. All right. And if you look left in the chart, which is what you always need to do, by the way, guys, always look left in the chart when looking to buy an asset or short an asset, whatever it is you're trying to do, always want to look left and see if it's a major level of support. And looking left, right here, we can identify that this June low, which we had that June crash. Okay, this is when Apple went from $130 all the way back up to $175. All right, and it made a lower high. Understand, it made a lower high, which is why we're not necessarily bullish on Apple. But we're not looking to short it here either, right? We're not looking to short it here. Why not look for a short, in the middle of this range, right? Up here. This is where we can see, look, selling came in right here. This is probably a great area for maybe a short trade, okay? And then looking left in the chart, we can see this level here acted as a previous support that took the price to $180 or close to it. And now it's probably going to act as a resistance. All right, and this is where using trend lines can also really help you identify what's happening on the chart. So we can draw a trend line from here, right? And we can really easily see that the price is really respecting this trend line, right? It came close to it, sold off, came close to it again, sold off, came close to it again, sold off, came close to it for multiple times and continued to sell off here. We know there's lots of sellers here. Okay, so we could maybe take a trade, not financial advice. We can take a trade off the support here, okay? And yes, we do have some shorter term resistance levels here around 135 and 138, all right? But I will promise you, if Apple gets it back above this $138 region, we're gonna see Apple probably try to trade into this resistance line or maybe even try to trade to this 150 level, okay? And that's how you use support and resistance to determine the risk to reward for a trade. All right, obviously you have a risk to reward tool here, which is really nice. Let's just say we wanted to take a long position down here. Okay, add support. And we can keep our stop really, really tight because, man, as soon as we break this support, man, it's free fall, right? We don't really have any support until you know, 123, and then all the way down at these levels down here. Okay, we even have gaps to fill. Okay, at 100 bucks. All right. So let's just take a very, very simple approach to this trade. We're going to set our stop below the wick low here. You know, we're looking at a 1% stop, but look what our risk to reward is. Let's just say we traded it up to this trend line right here. Okay, we're looking at a 12.5 to 1 risk to reward. Guys, that means for every one trade that we take with this scenario, we're going to win 12.5 times. Okay, I look for at least a 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio when I take trades. And so this right here to me is an amazing trade to the long side for Apple. If you guys are liking this video, make sure you guys smash the like button up, hit the subscribe button, and tick the little notification bell to get all the updates here at Swing Trade Pros. That is all I have for this video. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the next one. It's about momentum, all right? See you guys in the next one.